looking to wow your family this Easter with a good chicken recipe, this Tuscan chicken is it for you. Hello there, my name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse, and in today's video we're going to be sharing a recipe on how to make the creamiest, most delicious Tuscan chicken at home. Okay, all you need is some washed and clean chicken breasts, and you're going to go in with your Italian seasoning or a herb mixture of dry basil, dry thyme, dry oregano and black pepper, and then salt. You can add in chili if you want, but we are not going to do that. So you're going to season all sides generously. Make sure the salt is enough so you do not have to serve dense chicken breast, because it can tend to be tough. Yeah, turn it and season on the other side. And as I do this, I'm going to request you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of the new uploads that are going to be coming your way this whole year and the coming times. Yeah, and give this video a like if you like it. Share with your friends, leave us a comment, and yeah, let's see what you think. So you're going to season with salt and make sure you rub all these herbs and flavors well into your chicken breasts wonderfully. Yeah. So make sure you make the chicken drink up all those flavors, and then let it sit aside for a while as you work on something else, which is your vegetables that you're going to be using. So you're going to start with your garlic. You need at least 3 cloves of garlic so that the flavor comes out perfectly. Peel them well. If you don't have a garlic presser, you can just simply smash it and chop it finely into small dices, or you can just grate a big batch and create some garlic ginger paste, and then you're good to go. So after pressing your garlic or mincing it, we're going to go on and work on our onions. We are using the yellow or white onion, and this is a bit sweet. It's nice and it's just perfect for this recipe. So chop it into these longs, or you can even dice it, no problem. And then we're going to go on to the cooking part. So what you need is a heavy base pan that is going to be able to hold the heat for you, and then you're going to go in with a dash of olive oil. It's about 1 tablespoon or 1 tablespoon and a half, and then it's going to be enough. You need this oil to brown the chicken breasts. Why we brown is so that the flavors can be sealed in and your chicken gets time to think about what it should be giving you. Yeah, yes. So brown the chicken on both sides like this. Make it look already cooked. It's already cooked. Salad lovers right now are chop it and we eat, but no, we still have a long way to go. In fact, it was the blood of God that held me from eating that chicken, all of it. Now, in the same pan, after removing the chicken and putting it aside to rest and, think about it, you're going to go in with about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. And then, because you're impatient, help it around and then go in with your garlic and onions and saute these on low to medium heat until they are wilted and fragrant. These guys can give you a lot of flavor in just one standing, and you're like, wow, by the way, I'm a good person. Yeah, that is why the earth has chosen to reward me with this much goodness. Yeah, even if you're not a good person, these onions will make you think you are. But yeah, then we're going to go in with our cherry tomatoes. If you also have sun-dried tomatoes, much better. And if you have pomodoro, the better. But still, this is going to work perfectly for that. Season it with black pepper and salt again, and then cover it. Make sure to keep it on low heat so that they do not burn. So cover them until they start popping, and then you can come in with the rest of the other things. So right now, as we are doing this, again, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please, thank you. It's free. It's free. Leave us a comment in the comment section. Give this a like, and yeah, go in with your stock, chicken stock. If you do not have any, use tap lager water and cover it and let it simmer on low heat as the tomatoes, as the salt, and as the stock flavors get to understand each other. And then go ahead and chop your spinach. If you have baby spinach, it would be much better. And then you're going to bring it and introduce it into this other mixture of the flavors or the ingredients that you're already going on, and mix it until it has lost its power. Spinach will never stop to wow me. You put a whole bag of spinach in a pan only for you to end up with 1 teaspoon. Sure. So we are going to use half a cup of heavy cream, and we're just going to put it into the mixture of everything that you've been cooking: spinach, tomatoes, onions, garlic, butter, olive oil, and the chicken flavors that already came from the seasoned chicken. And then we're going to mix this around and then reintroduce our chicken so that it gets to make friends with the mixture here and give you the best when it's time for serving. So you're going to introduce the chicken back in, yeah, and then leave it on low. If this is too thick for you, you can go in and add a little bit of more stock and make sure to correct your seasoning, and you're good to go. This does not take a lot of time to cook, maybe about 30 minutes, all of it done. Make sure you don't pour the liquid that the chicken gave out, because it has flavor, it has all the things you invested your money in, yeah? Don't lose them. So we turn the chicken to make sure each side is coated and, you know, taking up everything. And that's it. You can serve this with mash, you can serve this with posho, you can serve this with Irish, you can serve with literally everything. We served this with mash, potato mash, and I am going to be sharing a recipe for this mashed potatoes, and I hope you like it. Yeah, so stick around. If your notification bell is not on, I promise you're gonna miss it, and I don't want you to miss it. So I see you then. Bye.